What's up, guys? It's Josh from KeepItTechie back with another video, and today I want to dive into a really important and timely topic, and that's navigating the tech industry, particularly in the face of layoffs and economic uncertainties. Now, I recently came across a video by Ramil responding to another YouTuber before the billions, who shared his experience of being laid off as a data analyst. Now, in his video, Ramil touched on some critical points about the volatility of the job market and the importance of having something on the side, be it a business or maybe a skill that can keep you going independently. And that's what we're going to expand on today, specifically through the lens of us tech enthusiasts and professionals. So let's get to it. Now, let's start with the reality of layoffs. Yes, they are tough, unpredictable, and quite frankly can be a bit scary. And this isn't just about losing a job. It's about a sudden need to reassess where you stand in a fast evolving industry. But here's the twist. Being in tech, especially if you have skills in Linux and other in-demand technologies, puts you in a unique position. This industry, while volatile, also offers numerous opportunities for those who are prepared. And that's what I aim to do right here on KeepItTechie. We're not just about learning Linux, we're about turning this knowledge into a robust, marketable skill set that opens doors, whether that's for freelance projects, starting your own tech consultancy, or securing your position within a company. For instance, let's take a simple Linux server setup. Knowing how to set this up not only helps in potential job scenarios, but imagine turning this into a service you offer independently, or better yet, teaching others and creating a course around it like I do on the KeepItTechie channel. However, while I agree with Ramil on the importance of having something of your own, I also believe there's a balance to strike. It's crucial to recognize that not everyone might be ready or interested in starting their own business or a side project. For many, especially those who are just stepping into tech or deepening their expertise, focusing entirely on their job and enhancing their skills within the context can be just as empowering and secure. So while diversifying income streams is excellent advice, it's not a one-size-fits-all. The tech industry does offer stability for many professionals, and not everyone experiences volatility to that same extent. It's about finding what works best for you, whether that's climbing the corporate ladder, juggling multiple gigs, or even launching your own startup. Plus, there's a lot to be said for the benefits that come with traditional employment, like structured learning opportunities, mentoring from experienced colleagues, and not to forget benefits like healthcare and retirement plans. These are not small considerations, and for some, they weigh heavily when planning their careers. Ultimately, whether you decide to focus on climbing the corporate ladder, freelancing, or starting your own tech company, the key is to remain adaptable. Keep learning, keep evolving, and position yourself so you can pivot when necessary. That's why continuing education, like certifications and specialized training, play a pivotal role. They're not just stepping stones, they're about what makes you a formidable player in whatever path you choose. So, to everyone out there in the tech field, feeling the instability, remember your skills or your security. The more you build, the more doors you open. And not just for jobs, but for potential collaborations, freelance opportunities, and maybe even kickstarting your own tech venture. Now, before I close, shout out to Before the Billions, and I'm hoping things look up for you pretty soon, and to Ramil for sparking this necessary conversation. Now, check out their channels for more insight, and that's a wrap for me today. If you found this discussion helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, tutorials, and talks. Drop your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay curious, and as always, keep it tech.